Hi everybody, today I will show you how to add FAQ in WordPress Elementor. So let's begin. Alright, so now let's click on the plugin and click on the add new, and from here you just have to write down the Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here, the Elementor is already installed on my WordPress. So all you need to do is to install the Elementor and activate this. After that, what you need to do, you simply go inside the pages and click on the add new page. Okay, so now let's just write down the name of the page. That would be the FAQ. Alright, so now let's just click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so first of all, I would like to add the section here. It could be the single column structure, and in here I would be adding the heading of the FAQ. Alright, so let's click here and I will search for the icon here. Now you can see the icon list here. So I'll just simply drag this and put this inside our column. Okay, so as you can see the list items here, so I only need a single item. So let's just remove the other values here. Alright, so now let's just click on the list item and let's just change the text here. That would be the FAQ. Now we have to change the icon here. Let's just write down question here. And I would actually like to go with this one. Let's just click on insert. Alright, so now we have to increase the size of our text and the icon. So let's click on the style and I have to align this into the center. And now let's click on the icon. I have to increase the size of the icon. So that would be actually 50px. Alright, so now let's just click on the text. And I also have to increase the font size. So let's click here. And the font size would be the 50px. This is looking fine. That would be the bold. Okay, so now this is looking fine. Okay, so now let's change the color of our text. That would be the black color. This is looking fine. So now what we need to do, I had to add the divider. Okay, so let's just go back and write down the divider here. So let's just drag this and put this here. And I have to change the value of the width here. That should only cover our text here. Put this into the center and decrease the value. Okay, so this is looking fine. And we have to change the value from solid to the slashes. Okay, so now this is looking fine. Alright, so I think we will stick with the 20% of the width. Alright, so now what we need to do, we have to give the background color to our section. So let's click on the edit section. Click on the style. So from here, we will be giving the background color. So it should be a kind of, alright, so this is looking fine. Okay, so this is looking fine. Alright, so now we have to add the shape divider and we have to click on the bottom. Now click on the type here. Now we have to select here the arrow. Okay, so as you can see this arrow here. Alright, so now this is looking fine. Now what we need to do, I have to add a spacing between the divider and the arrow. So let's click on the advanced. I'll link the values in the margin. It would be 10 in the bottom. Now this is looking fine. Okay, so I also have to add the margin value at the top. That would be the -10. I think we should go with the -20. Alright, so this is looking fine. And now what we need to do, we have to add the spacing in our list item. So let's go to the advanced setting. I'll link the values in the margin. It should be 30px in the top. Now this is looking fine. Alright, so now I think I have to increase the value of the divider as well. So it should be -10. Now this is looking great. So we have added our heading section. Alright, so we are done here with our heading section. Now we have to add the second section, and it would be the 3-column structure. Alright, so let's just change the value of the content width. That would be the full width. And I have to change the values here. Alright. So basically, I only want to use the second column. These columns are only for the spacing. Okay, so let's just click on the column here. Edit column. And this would be 60. Alright, so I have to change the values here. And it should be 20. Okay, so I should also change the values here. And it should be 20. Alright, so the column width of our side columns is actually the 20, and and the column width of our center column is actually the 60%. Now this is looking fine. So now what we need to do, we have to add the FAQ questions here. So how we are going to do this, we'll simply add the toggle here. So let's drag this and put this here. Alright, so if you want to add the more questions in your FAQ, you simply click on the add item, and this would add a new toggle items. And in the toggle items, you can simply write down the question in the title. So let me just write down, this would be the question number 3. You can simply put down any question here, whatever you want. Ever go on. Alright. And in the toggle content, you can simply put down the answer of your question. So this would be answer of your question. Alright. So this is how it works. And in the similar way, you can add the question in the other toggle items. You can see here, you can add the question here. You can also add the question here. And you can simply write down the answer of your question here. That's it. Alright. And if you want to change the icon, you can simply do it from here. Alright. So you can see here, we have the icon and the active icon. And we can change the HTML tag of the title from the div. You can see this. And we can change the HTML tag of our title icon. And if I just go into the style, I can add the border width, I can add the border color, and we can also customize the background of our title. We can customize the text color and the active color of our title. And in the similar way, we can customize our icon and the content. All right. Okay, so now I want to add the border on our column. So let's click on the edit column, click on the style, and here let's click on the border. So here, first of all, we have to select the value of the dotted and unlink the values here. Alright, so I only want to add the border on the left and the right side. Okay, so let's just write down the value here. That would be the 3. It would be 3 as well. Alright, so now this is looking fine. And we can change the color of our border, and we can change the radius value of the border from here. Alright, but right now I just simply keep this like this. Okay, so let's click on the publish. Now let's click on a look here. Now you can see this, we have added the FAQ, and these are our question. Alright, so now you can see this, we can close them as well, we can open them again. Okay, so this is how it works. And we can do one more thing here. We can add the spacing between our toggle section and the heading section. So let's go back and let's click on the edit section. Now click on the advanced, and now what we need to do, we have to add the margin here. So it would be 20. So now this is looking fine. Let's just click on the update and go back to our FAQ page. Let's just click on the refresh here. And now you will be able to see the space between our heading and our toggle questions. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how you can add the FAQ in the WordPress Elementor. If you really find the video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.